So today I am going to make gratitude tree and sharing my experience to make gratitude tree. First, I don't have brown color, so I mixed 3 colors. Good quantity of black, good quantity of red and less quantity of blue. And then it's turned into brown. And then I cut leaves. And I cut leaves for writing names. And then I stick them. Now I am going to stick all of leaves. I am thankful to whom? So whom? This is whom. This is computer. Computer. This is food. And this is God. All of the leaves, only 2 leaves are left. One is teacher and second is farmer. Teacher learned about me good things, so I am putting glue on it. And second is farmer. It's grow vegetables and fruits. So I am going to put glue on it. And stick it properly. So this my gratitude tree is ready. So I am going to show you. So this is my gratitude tree. Do you like it? Yes. So this like my gratitude tree is ready. Thank you ma'am. Thank you friends. Bye bye.